We're the developers of the Cinema Fusion movie website. I'm Charlene. I'm a full stack developer.
Hi, I'm Nandini. I'm the backend developer.
Hello, I'm Justice. I'm the front-end developer.
Hello, I'm Jenny. I'm a front-end developer. So this project aimed to be like develop a web-based movie recommendation application, employing both context and content-based filtering technique to offer personalized movie suggestion to users. So by combining the user's demographic information with the movie data, the system leverage generate AI algorithms to craft tailored recommendation for each users. This approach enhanced the intuitive of the recommendation process to ensure that users are presented with movies that align closely with their preference and interest. So now we are going to be demo our completely applications.
So the first thing we'll be demoing is our sign in and login page. So basically when you come to the movie website, you're going to land here. And the first thing you can do is click to log in, create an account. Logging in or creating an account just allows you to be able to access more personalized movie recommendations and be able to save your favorite movies. So we have our create account page, which works exactly as you'd expect it to. You enter first, last name, any username or password. This data is totally up to you. You can sign up. Once you do that, you'll be able to sign in here. So I'll show you. I go ahead and sign in. And then as you can see, a couple more tabs appear here on the nav bar. So on our nav bar, we have our home button that takes you back to home if you navigate away. We have a profile button, favorites button, search for the info button, and we have a welcome for the user. Our profile page here just shows a cute profile photo, your first name, last name, and your username. You can full screen it if you want, mess with it a little bit. But now I'm going to go ahead and pass it off to Justice to discuss our favorites and search a little bit.
Yes, so when the user clicks on the favorites button, the user should be able to select up to 10 of their favorite movies and save it as their favorites. And they also have the option to full screen the favorites page as well. And then another feature that we've implemented is a search movie info page. When the user clicks on this page, the user should be able to search for any movie to learn more about the movie's information, which includes the movie's name, the movie's description, the movie's language, the movie's release date, and the movie's runtime. They also have the option to full screen the movie info page as well. I will now pass it off to Nandini to discuss further about what else features we have implemented.
So our option 2 is recommendation based on survey. So if you click on it, you'll see a survey for which if you answer the questions, you'll get, if you like put your preferences, you'll get a recommendation based off of that. And we are using generative AI to kind of do this. And then based on what you input, you get a recommendation. Now you have the option to either like or dislike the movie, and whatever feedback you provide would be factored in when you get a second recommendation. Now I'm going to pass it off to Jenny.
Okay, so here we go to the third option is select your movies by genre. So there's a couple genres, maybe more than 10 genres you can pick, but as a demo, we just pick first 3 and get recommendations. Also, you can see each genres pop up the movies, and there's a like and dislike button. But if you are not signed in, you're gonna not see the like and dislike button. This is just for the other users like who sign in. And yeah, that's it. And so as a front-end developer, my job is like for the user interface design and the layout implementation. And I have to like enhance the user interface by optimize the page and improve the integration between the front end and the back end system. I also have to test the web page routers. So next I'm gonna pass to the Charlene to introduce her job.
So for this project, I worked as a full stack developer and with some project management as well. My roles were managing the database, ensuring the tables were created and data integrity, creating and testing some of the API endpoints for the backend and front end, and then just assisting anywhere else I was needed in UI design, a little bit of the algorithm things, and just debugging overall application functionality issues. Now I'll pass it off to Justice to discuss his responsibilities.
Yes, for my responsibilities, I have constructed the user interface design based on the wireframes. I implemented the modal functionality for the pop-up windows. I conducted and debugged the front end for unit testing, and I also updated the user interface design styling for the pages and buttons. I will now pass off the individual responsibilities to Nandini.
As the backend developer, I worked on developing the algorithm behind the recommendations and like connecting the respective APIs, creating a database to feed the feedback data, and also work on like the overall like and dislike functionality and testing the recommendations.
That completes our project demo. We appreciate you taking the time to view our demonstration.
Before we go, we would like to acknowledge our advisor, Professor Cruz, for being a supportive and knowledgeable advisor throughout this project. She really challenged us to push our limits and go outside of our comfortability throughout this project, and we appreciate her doing that very much.
We would also like to express our gratitude towards Dr. Thomas for invaluable guidance and support throughout the duration of this project. We feel truly fortunate to learn from you and benefit from your wisdom.
Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions about the project, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.